In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome more secure in just 2 minutes. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click the 3 dots, then go to Settings, which you'll find at the very bottom, just above the Exit option. Once you're in Settings, look at the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. It's the third option. Here you'll find several options like Delete Browsing Data, Privacy Guide, and more. Next, click on Security. Under the Safe Browsing section, make sure you select Enhanced Protection. This will activate real-time protection and proactive protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions. If it's set to Standard Protection or No Protection, change it to Enhanced Protection for the best security. Scroll down, and you'll see an option for Use Secure DNS. Turn it on. This ensures Chrome uses a secure connection to look up websites. You can also choose a DNS provider, such as Cloudflare or Google Public DNS, depending on which one works best for you. The final step is to check for Chrome updates. Go to the About Chrome section at the bottom of the Settings page. Click on it, and Chrome will start checking for updates and update automatically if needed. It's a good practice to keep your browser up to date for maximum security, even though Chrome typically updates on its own. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you already use these security measures, or if you have any other security tips to share.